Let's analyze a Creality Pi temperature thermal spread inside the housing. The Pi is working around 3 hours on its top temperature of 70 degree. I have some silica gel inside which is drying. Bottom part is having around 60 degree even outside, and at the bottom is the heater. We are having there on this thicker plastic around 50 degrees, and on the transparent plastic on the back we have nearly 60 degrees. On the front we have 60 degrees also, and I wanted to open it and check the containers. We are having 70 degrees. Here we have also 72, and the heater is rocking with nearly 90 degrees, 87. That's quite a lot, and that's why it is amazing to have a shield here. I printed these enclosures in ABS, so they are still sturdy even at this temperature. A capable filament dryer. As you can see, it achieves a set temperature for subject inside, but you will need to 3D print a mod to deflect direct heat from the heated subject, so you avoid warping or filament welding because of too high temperature, which is usually a lot higher than set temperature, because the heater needs to work harder to achieve lesser temperature inside the chamber.